Howdy neighbors, Pamela Adams, Program Manager of the Beaver Response Team. I'm here to help you set up your trail camera, which you probably learned about through this cute little postcard that went out. And hopefully you got one, explaining a few things about what we do and how we're here to help you find out what other river neighbors that are non-human sharing your property and wanting to make it more harmonious for both of you. So I'm going to show you today what's in your trail camera. There's a manual. There's also our hotline, so you can call us at any time if you see a beaver, you've got a beaver issue, you're just excited about it, and you want to talk about other wildlife. We're here for you. Hotline is 541-362-1024, and I can't wait to see what you find on your cameras. It'll be like Christmas every morning, and it's super easy to work with. So hang on, let's go over this right now. Okay, howdy neighbors, quick tutorial on the actual camera itself. You've got the LED light. This is what's going to light up with a infrared light that most animals do not detect at all. Beavers definitely will not. Their eyesight is not that good. A deer might, and raccoons seem to be inquisitive. Generally, most animals do not see it, so that's a beautiful thing. We're not looking for pretty pictures, we're looking for the story, the patterns, and animals being themselves. You've got your camera lens. This is the most sensitive thing here. You don't want to scratch that. That is the lens that takes a picture. These are your motion detectors. So when these are detecting something, you got two side ones and a middle one. This light will go on, and a picture and video will be taken. So when you get your camera, you don't have to do anything except turn it on. But if you would like to learn more about or change anything, you can read the manual and then go to Set and look at the modes and go through all the different things that you can do here. Again, we have it pretty much set up where it works for us. We've got the date set up. We've got a camera name for these. If you wanted to put on operation hours, that means putting it just only at night. There's an option for that. But we suggest for 2 weeks, you could probably just leave this camera and then see what you got. So again, when you get the camera, feel free to look at the tips of where to place, and then you just set it on. If for some reason you want to check everything is good, this is the battery, the date, time. Again, the battery should be charged up for you over here. You can just double check it before you put it on. Just don't forget to put it on, because I've done that after finding a good spot, and that was sad. And then you just set it, hook it up with the strap. And you can also set it on rocks. They fall down sometimes that way. Set it on a post. You can get creative. We'll look at those tips. But that's pretty much your camera setup. Super easy. And I showed you where the SIM card is, and we can take it from there. Any questions, email.